welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are just at home. It's a home video, guys. So we are cleaning up for the first time on this channel. We are cleaning up, guys. So yeah, I have a lot of jeans, guys. I'm gonna show you guys all my jeans. They're probably about 100, just the jeans, and the trousers are about 20 to 30, but I mean the video is about the jeans mostly, so we're going to concentrate on the jeans and ignore the trousers. Okay guys, everything is just mixed up. So we're going to be cleaning today. I'm super excited because I'm doing this cleaning after like 2 years. Yeah. So yeah, Aisha is going to be helping me, and she's going to just be filming me like cleaning and stuff like that. And my hair is just like a mess, guys, because I washed it today morning, and yeah, it's just been sun drying. Okay, so yeah, if you guys want to see this video, then please keep watching. So this is the mess, guys. This is the pile. As you can see, there's just a lot of jeans that I even forgot about, like for years and years and years. Like if you know me, I wear like one jeans all the time. So if I like find one jeans comfortable and all that, then I'll just keep wearing that whole month that same jeans. That's what I do, guys. And I only pick the jeans that's right in front, so the back ones are totally forgotten. So now we're gonna be cleaning up, guys. Okay, so guys, this is a mess. As you can see, we just like whatever, spoiled the pile up, if I must say. So this is a mixture of my trousers and my jeans, and I think a few of my shorts. I don't know why they're in the jeans cupboard, but they're just there. So we are going to clean this mess up, and they're about 100 as I said, but we don't need 100, so we're gonna get rid of a few, maybe 20 or 30 of them. And the ones we do not need, we're gonna be throwing on that side on the bed, and the ones we need are gonna be staying remaining over here. Okay guys, let's start. I do not want, they're on that side, and the ones that I want, I have started like folding them. Yeah, for the first time in history I'm folding them, and I just wanted to show you guys a few of my favorite jeans, and the ones that I have gotten like recently, the ones that are nice and probably in fashion. Does that make sense? So I wanted to show you one is this one. Can you guys see? how pretty this is. It's like so stunning. I got it like 6 months ago, and this is like the new flare kind of jeans. This one is what brand? This is from Next. So pretty. I love the color. So I want to show you guys that. And then this is also like a favorite of mine. It's from Forever 21. And yeah, this one's design from down is like this. It's so pretty. Can you guys see? So like a little part of your leg shows over there. I don't know what's this design called. Comment down below. And yeah, I have more of my jeans are from Zara, because Zara jeans are so comfortable, so comfortable. I'm not even lying. Can you guys see the material of this jeans? It's from Zara. Literally lasted me. This jeans is like, I think 2.5 years, and look at the color. It's still black. It's not faded at all. The color, the material is amazing. I just love this jeans a lot. So yeah, there's another one that I wanted to show you guys. Let me look for it. So I found other favorites of mine that I want to share with you guys. So even this I got recently, like maybe 6 months ago. It's another flare jeans, as you can see. Super pretty. Can you see the design at the back, guys? It has like crystals over here, and then this is the front. So this is Parasuco jeans. It's a Canadian brand. Love these jeans, guys. It's so nice, so comfortable, and just in love with it. So this one is Old Navy. Do you guys know the brand Old Navy? It's kind of famous. Yeah, so that's that. It's just a basic jeans, so I'm going to show you guys this plain blue. And this one is darling. This one is by Diesel. It's like a velvet material. Just let me show you guys up there. It is such a pretty jeans, but this jeans I can only wear it in Nairobi, like in cold places, because it's like full velvet and the color is, it's amazing, guys. This jeans is just everything. But yeah, it's gonna be one in like cold areas. So yeah, and this one is by Top Girl. This one I actually found it like recently because it was behind. So yeah, Top Girl, and it has like the sides over here, as you can see. Very pretty. It's a high waist jeans, and it's an ankle length jeans. So yeah, I love ankle length, by the way, if you guys have realized that. And this black one is such a favorite. I think this one is 3 years old, if I'm not even wrong. So it's by Mango. It's just a basic black jeans, and yeah, it's a favorite black jeans, I would say. And the next one is by Rajbi. Do you guys know Rajbi? Rajbi denim. So yeah, this is also an ankle length jeans. It has this, the ends are actually different, as you can see. It's like the latest kind of ends. Very pretty. It has a bit of cuts around over here, and that is the brand. So if you want to know an authentic jeans, it usually has like badges like this at the back. So yeah, and then the next, this one is a favorite. I'm sure you guys remember this jeans. Like I wear it all the time. Like in Nakuru, I used to wear it every Saturday. I'm not even lying. This one is my Gap jeans. This one is like a favorite. I'm not even kidding. Like it's kind of faded, but let's not show much of it. But it's my favorite. So, and then this one is another comfortable. I would say it's not like really denim material, but it's like a jeans, and it's from H&M. It's so pretty. It's like high waist as well. Very pretty. It has a zip over here that I can keep open if I want. If I decide to keep open, I can keep it open or closed. So yeah, those are a few of my favorites. We don't have to go through all of them today, guys. I really wanted to show you guys this trouser because like we just reunited after long. And it's such a nice trouser. Like literally, it's so pretty. It's like silk material, and look at the ends. So pretty. I love it. I've only worn it once, and I would love to wear it again like very soon. It's from, I think, Zara Paris, if that's how it's spelled. Love it. This trouser, I have been wearing it recently. You guys have seen in a few of my, I think my 2 videos I've watched, or one video, probably one video, because I had deleted it. So one video, and it's from the brand Bashka. Literally in love with this material. Wildlife. It's a trouser. It's not like part of this video, but just love it. Just had to show you guys. So guys, I literally got rid of like 30 jeans and kept like 70 jeans. So Aisha is helping me arrange because she's such a sweetheart. She's always helping me do stuff. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna show you like a bit where I've kind of arranged, and like that's me arranging. Okay, don't judge the way I fold, guys, please. I'm a beginner. So let me show you guys. So this is how we have folded. I mean, it's not that bad. It's actually good, guys. It's really not that bad. As you can see, we're just gonna put it like arrange it more better once we enter the cupboard, and these are still left to do, like a few are still left to do. But yeah, that is what it is right now. I told you guys it won't look that bad. So yeah, this progress. So much better. Let's not look up and down because the up and down is like totally messy, but this is great. This I can see at least. There behind I totally can't see, but yeah, I can see. So just to make it clear, this is just one section, guys, just one section. So we are finally done doing the cupboard, the jeans cupboard. Aisha, how was your experience?
You have a lot of jeans.
But she really helped me do everything. Like she's just always there. Whenever I need her, she's always there. So yeah, we really enjoyed like cleaning up the cupboard and finding new jeans that were there and have not been worn for years and years and years, and now will be worn, guys. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to like the video. And yeah, how many jeans do you have? Comment down below, guys. And I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And let me know if you guys enjoy like clean up kind of videos, cleaning videos and decluttering kind of videos. Let me know.